So how to download TikTok back on your USA Apple Store without VPN? Open your App Store and place on Apple ID icon. Then you can see this kind of interface. Verify with your Face ID. Now press on country and region, this option. And now you have to change your country and region. I am selecting France as a country and region. Now press on agree. And now you have to enter your address and select none as a payment system. And in this case you can search on Google like France address for Apple ID, and then you can see a lot of different website. Go any website and scroll down, then you can see the address, city, all are available here. Just enter those information on your current Apple ID score, and once done, then you have to press on enter. Now let's check. Open your search bar and search on TikTok. Then you can see TikTok is available here. Press on get. Verify with your Face ID. Now it's installing. Now you can change your Apple ID again to France to USA, no problem, after complete the download process. So hope video helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day. Thank you.